Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I have a brief update on the Pistols of the Warlords Kickstarter. We have decided to add an additional item to it by popular demand. We had a ton of requests / demands from you guys for a purple Warlords sort of version of the bookmark. Obviously we did that with the cover, and a bunch of people went, you should have a matching bookmark with that purple Warlord style cover. And we looked at that and we thought, that's a really good idea. We probably should have thought of that ourselves at the very beginning, but we didn't. So we have done it now. We have put together a whole new design for the purple bookmark. The original bookmark was primarily featuring profile pictures of various pistols from the book, and that's not really suited to making a Warlord version of. So what we did instead is we chose the theme of WAUSER, again by popular interest. So we went through the book and we found a couple really good examples of WAUSER style banners or WAUSER banners on Chinese Warlord era pistols, and we then copied those onto the bookmark. There is a center section that has a 2-character Chinese phrase in it, which is also something that we took straight off of one of the pistols in the book that translates to Made in the USA, which it isn't, of course. The pistol wasn't. The bookmarks aren't either, by the way. We actually have our bookmarks being made by a cool little small family-owned company in Scotland, which is neat. Anyway, then the one final element on the standard bookmark, we have a cool Imperial Dragon on the bottom. We have replaced that with a lucky she-dog, S-H-I. And again, that animal image is something that came directly off of one of the pistols in the book. So we thought that was a pretty cool design, giving you guys some of the true Warlord elements of pistols from Pistols of the Warlords. So if you are already a backer of the Kickstarter and you've already ordered a bookmark, I have a separate backer-only video update that I just published this morning that will explain to you how you can go in and change your pledge if you want to switch from a gray bookmark to a purple one. For those of you going forward, we are including a purple bookmark with the purple collector's edition books, although at this time those are all sold out, but just so you know, the gray collector's edition books will get gray bookmarks with them. The double bundles of collector edition books will get both bookmarks. And then if you pledge for any of the non-collector books, you can go ahead and add either a gray or a purple bookmark, or both if you desire, to that pledge in the list of add-ons after you choose a pledge level. So thank you guys for the suggestion of the purple bookmarks. We really should have come up with that ourselves, but we didn't. But we fixed it by adding them in now. Thanks.